Standard 1 Subject English. Hello students, my name is Mrunal and today I am going to tell you an interesting story. Before we start with our story, let's take a look on some pictures and name them. Here is the first picture. The first picture is of a broom. What can you see in the second picture? Yes, a bucket of water and mop. Do you know what are these things used for? Very good. These things are used for cleaning. Here is the next picture. What can you see in the picture? Yes, very good. The children are cleaning the house. So, our topic for today is cleaning the house. Now, I will tell you this story. You just pay attention and listen to it. Ali, Shifa and Tina are happy. Today, they are cleaning the house. They have brooms and buckets of water. Mother says, first sweep the house. Then dust the tables and chairs. After that, clean with water. I will clean the bedroom, Ali says. I will clean the sitting room, Shifa says. I will clean the storeroom, Tina says. All the children are busy cleaning. Ali is moving his bed. He wants to clean under it. Shifa is moving the seats. She wants to clean under them. Tina is moving the things in the storeroom. There are potatoes, bananas, onions and tomatoes. Now the house is clean. This is the story of cleaning the house. Let's see the new words of this story. Here is the new word. Seats. Repeat, seats. Here you can see the picture of seats. Yes. Now, let's see the meanings of these words from the story. The first word is seat. Means a thing made or used for sitting on, such as a chair or stool. The second word is under. Means below or at lower level. Now, you know the meanings of these words. So, let's frame sentences from these two words. Make sentences. Here are the words from which we have to frame sentences. I have framed two sentences from both words. Let's read the sentences. The first word is seat. The first sentence I have framed is, please take this seat. The second sentence I have framed from the same word is, she found a seat for him in the shop. The next word is under, and the sentence I have framed is, she was standing under a tree. The second sentence I have framed is, he was hiding under the table. Now, in the same way, you have to also frame two sentences from both these words. Okay? You all know the story. So now, let's read the story once. First, I will read and then you have to repeat after me. Let's start. Cleaning the house. Ali, Shifa and Tina are happy. Today they are cleaning the house. They have brooms and buckets of water. Mother says, first sweep the house, then dust the tables and chairs. After that, clean with water. I will clean the bedroom, Ali says. I will clean the sitting room, Shifa says. I will clean the storeroom, Tina says. All children are busy cleaning. Ali is moving his bed. He wants to clean under it. Shifa is moving the seats. She wants to clean under them. Tina is moving the things in the storeroom. There are potatoes, bananas, onions, and tomatoes. Now the house is clean. Okay, very good students. Now we all have read the story and you know the story very well. So let's see some questions from the story. Here are the questions. The first question is, who are those people who are happy? The second question is, what were the children busy doing? The third question is, what are the things that are in the storeroom? And the fourth question is, what do you think the children used to clean the house? Now you all have to answer these questions. Here are the answers for the questions. The first question was, who are those people who are happy? And the answer is, Ali, Shifa and Tina are happy. The second question was, what were the children busy doing? And the answer is, all the children were busy in cleaning. The next question is, what are the things that are in the storeroom? And the answer is, there are potatoes, bananas, onions and tomatoes in the storeroom. The last question was, what do you think the children used to clean the house? And the answer is, I think the children used brooms, buckets and water to clean the house. Now, with this, we come to an end with our question answers. Now let's see what is your homework for today. This is the homework for you. Draw and color things used for cleaning the house and name them. Here you can see pictures of some things which are examples of what things you have to draw. You know what things are used for cleaning the house. So you have to draw them, color them and also write their names. I hope you all will complete your homework. Thank you.